9 forecast.
After a gray, gloomy start to the day, we started to see some sunshine break out. This is a time lapse from Pinnacles along Skyline Drive showing us we had some clearing skies throughout the day. But here around mid-afternoon, late day, we started to see some of the haziness reappear in our sky. These are mostly high-level clouds in association with the far outer reaches of Hurricane Idalia. In that first forecast for tonight, no direct impacts from that tropical system passing by well to our south. Overnight lows will slowly fall from the 80s, 70s, and into the 60s with a northeasterly breeze bringing in some drier and less hot, less humid conditions for your Thursday. Clouds in the morning will give way to bright sunshine for the second half of the day, with temperatures rising from the 60s into the 70s and barely in the low 80s by the end of tomorrow. So it will be noticeably a lot drier and also not quite as hot. We are nearly 10 degrees warmer compared to 4 o'clock yesterday for Charlottesville. That means we are back in the low 90s, at least at the airport. 87 right now in Orange and 84 in Stanton. Now over the next couple days and nights, our dew points, the best direct measurement of how much moisture is available in the atmosphere, is going to drop significantly. We're going to be in the pleasant, if not invigorating category, and that means overnight lows will be comfortable, mostly in the 40s and the 50s for tomorrow night and also on Friday night. But all eyes are down to the south along the Gulf Coast, the southeast coast from Georgia, south of North Carolina, moving away from Florida. This is a Hurricane Idalia. It was a Category 3 as it moved into the Big Bend area and also the nature coast of Florida. Now it's a weak hurricane. It'll likely be a tropical storm in the next advisory by 5 p.m. But there's a center moving just west of Savannah, Charleston, and Hilton Head. It'll move across south of North Carolina in the next several hours as a tropical storm moving out from the Outer Banks on Thursday afternoon, and it may come close to Bermuda on Labor Day as a tropical storm. So the rain will get close enough to, say, Norfolk, Virginia Beach, with the heavier bands of rain and gusting winds will be across eastern North Carolina, moving away from South Carolina. We will just have some clouds from it and a clearing trend tomorrow afternoon as high pressure builds in, and that will be a drier outlook. Northeast breezes tomorrow anywhere from 20 to 30 miles per hour, bringing in that drier air. No chance of rain, folks, through at least the end of next week. Not only is it going to turn dry next week, it's also going to turn a lot hotter. Daytime highs by Sunday, Labor Day Monday, and most of next week will be well in the 90s. Some of the hottest weather we've had all summer for next week. For tonight, though, we'll have lows near 60 for the valley, low to mid 60s for central Virginia. For tomorrow, your Thursday outlook, less humid. Clouds give way to sunshine with highs in the upper 70s, lower 80s. And check out your 7-day forecast. Very comfortable tomorrow night and also Friday and Friday night. Picture perfect for Fridays after 5 in high school football. And then on this weekend, 80s on Saturday, low 90s Sunday, nearing 100 degrees on Labor Day Monday. It'll be hot and a bit more humid. The heat wave continues for most of next week.